February sales report and best-selling items. For the month of February, I had 63 sales across all stores. This is a 43% decrease from the 110 sales I had in January. These are the sales broken down by store. Miss Rhoadie 45, Weddings by Rhoadie 2, Homeschool Me 6, Rhoadie's Kitchen 3, Alma Africa 4, Bible Verses and Gifts 2, Earrings by Rhoadie 3. Best-selling items. Best Boyfriend Ever greeting card was in first place, and that's Miss Rhoadie's store. In second place was my Happy Birthday, My Love greeting card, and this is also from Miss Rhoadie's store. My birthday card for a husband was my third best-selling item, also from Miss Rhoadie's store. Other items sold were stickers, wrapping paper sheets, kitchen towels, a keychain, buttons, bath towels, t-shirts, leggings, file folders, earrings, tissue paper, license plate frames, card magnets, invitations, and a shot glass. Customer demographics. 75% of my customers was from the U.S., 25% international. 80% of my customers were women, 15% men, and 5% unknown. My top states were New York with 8, Texas 6, and Florida 5. For international sales, the United Kingdom had 6 sales, Australia 5, Canada 2, Germany 2, and France 1. Honorable mentions. My honorable mention for this month is my Proud Homeschool Dad license plate frame. And it's good to see a sale from my specialty store, Homeschool Me. Some stats about this product is, it was created July 2017. I sold my first frame, however, January 2023, so that's 5.5 years. And I sold one this month, and they both sold to women. Stats helps me with my market strategies because currently it's July 2nd, 2023, and looking back, this is from February. So if I had jumped on that trend, I may have even sold more. So I'm going to really promote this product so I can keep selling it. Referrals. My first referral was from Carolyn Bonnie Muller, and this is a surprise party invitation. My second referral was from Crazy Line Prince, and as you see, this is a birthday invitation, birthday party. Takeaways. My Proud Homeschool Dad license plate frame shows the importance of promoting selling products in order to have more sales. Also, it shows the importance of analyzing your store. And since I know that women are my main customers for this item, I can promote this, especially during Christmas time, as gift ideas for the men in their lives. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.